5 reasons why the Shark Lift-Away TruePet Upright Vacuum is my ultimate cleaning companion. Number 1 is the 2-in-1 powered lift-away technology. This vacuum's lift-away feature is an absolute lifesaver. I can easily detach the pod to clean those hard-to-reach spots under furniture, and the best part, the brush roll keeps spinning so I never lose cleaning power. Number 2 is the advanced swivel steering. Navigating around furniture and into tight corners is a breeze, no more struggling to get the vacuum where it needs to go. Number 3 is the large capacity dust cup. With a 0.88 quart dust cup, I can clean for longer without needing to empty it out constantly. When I do, it's quick and mess-free, even with having a husky and a cat in my home. Speaking of pets, number 4 is this vacuum is perfect for pet owners. It's perfect for pulling up stubborn pet hair and dirt from carpets and upholstery, while the upholstery tool handles delicate fabrics with ease. Last but not least are the LED headlights and HEPA filtration system. The LED headlights are game changers, revealing dirt and pet hair I would have missed. Plus, the HEPA filter traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, keeping my home fresh and clean.